everybody, good afternoon. My name is Goswell Innocent. By God's grace, this afternoon, we are going to start up a program that will be treating keyboard lessons from the scratch. Yes, we are going to be doing the program in such a way that we are going to be teaching in details every steps to achieving a great goal in keyboard lessons. Today, what we are going to learn today is what I titled tips before embarking on keyboard lessons online. Yes. So, what is first of all we need to know what is a keyboard. This is a keyboard. So, a keyboard is just a musical instrument. Yes, a musical instrument that is used to harmonize song so that it is pleasing to the ear. It is just a musical instrument, a device like this that used to harmonize song. It is used in the church, in the music industries, and many other places. It is very, very essential in the praising of God. There are other tips that is someone must know so that he can be able to learn keyboard online fast and easy. If you want to continue with us, just like this channel, subscribe to it so that you will be getting our updates. As this is the first video on this channel, we are going to be updating it step by step on keyboard lessons until we reach the climax. So steps or tips or either for learning keyboard online. Number one tip is determination. Determination, that is the first tip that you need to have before you start up the journey of learning keyboard or piano. You have to determine it. You have to determine that yes, I want to learn it. If you want to determine it, it will be in your mind, it will be your priority. That yes, whatever it will take to me, it will take me, I will learn this thing. Number two is what I call passion. If you are determined to learn it but you don't have passion, then it is just not going to work. So what is passion? Passion is that loving something, do something that you love. You have passion for this, and you love it. You like to do it. You like doing it. It's fun for you when you're doing it. So in keyboard lesson, you can decide to make it a passion, something that you like, something that is part of you that you like doing it. So that is passion. Number two of it is passion. You need to have passion before you start. Have passion for keyboard because there are many ups and downs in the lesson of piano. So you need to have passion for it. That in any situation that you find yourself in keyboard lessons, in another level, you must continue with it because you see it as passion. And one thing is that some people say that the keyboard lesson is easy, while some say that it is hard. The answer to these questions, they are both right. When you have passion for keyboard, it will become easy for you. It will be more. It will be like more of fun for you when you're playing it. But when you don't have passion for it, you just want to learn it fast, my dear, it's going to be hard. You are just going to be seeing it as a hard something because you are not like loving it. You don't see it as fun. You see it as work. That is why it will be hard for you. So the third tip that I want to share with us is what I call patience, or in other words, perseverance. You need to have patience with keyboard before you can be able to learn it to the extent that you want to as a pro, because there are many areas in this keyboard that you need to have patience for. You don't just come today and learn it today or tomorrow. You need to spend time practicing it before you can learn it well. So that is the number three tips. Number four tip is uh, constant rehearsal. Constant rehearsal is paramount. Yes, it is very, very important that you practice what you have learned, no matter how little, no matter how small. Once you practice it, you will gain more information, more. It will be part of you that you cannot forget it easily because you have practiced it. So constant practice or rehearsal is very, very important before you can be able to learn keyboard well. Then number five is because having a keyboard, having a quality keyboard of yours. Yeah, it is not compulsory that you get a keyboard of yours, but it is good if you have, so that the learning will be faster. So that once you have finished learning each section, you can rush to your keyboard and practice it as it is fresh in your brain, and that will make it more stable in your heart and in your mind. So the sixth is questions. Yes, that this one is supposed is also among the six, because one, if you don't understand something and you do not ask question, then you will be practicing the wrong procedure, which might be error in the future, because there are many things that you play initially you will get it right, but as we proceed, then it will be expanding. Then your procedure might not suit the expansion of the lesson. So you need to ask questions where you seem to have a little confusion. Do not say maybe it's like this. Do not assume. Just ask questions, and we will be more than happy to attend to your questions. So question is another tip. You must be asking questions in every video, so that you get the correct procedure that we are having in mind as we start up this program. So if you like this program, you want to start learning keyboard from the scratch, just like this channel, subscribe to it. There's a bell button on the subscription button. You can click the bell button so that you get our update as it is released. And it is very good for you to follow the program, because we will not be rushing it. We will be treating it step by step, principle by principle. Next lesson, we are going to be coming to the keyboard. Instead, we are going to be learning the names of the key, the names of the key, and how keyboard is set, so that from there we continue going and going. And I wish everybody in this channel good luck, because this program is just to encourage people that is willing to learn keyboard online. I don't have money to go to trainees outside. This is for you, because this one, everything you need to know about keyboard, it will be here right here. Just subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, so that you support us and give us the zeal to bring more videos to you. Thank you very much, and see you next time. My name remains Gospel Innocent. Thank you.